Hi, I'm Manu from SVC 7 ISC here to take on the topic Introduction to Big Data Analytics. In this session, I'm going to talk about what is Big Data Analytics, overview of Big Data Analytics, importance of Big Data Analytics, and impact of Big Data Analytics on various industries. And we're going to conclude session finally. What is Big Data Analytics? Big data analytics is process of collecting, examining and analyzing large amounts of data to discover market trends, insights and patterns that can help companies make better business decisions, which describes the process of uncovering trends, patterns and correlations in large amount of raw data to help make data informed decisions. Overview of big data analytics. The volume of data that one has to deal has exploded to unimaginable levels in the past decade, and at the same time, the price of the data storage has systematically reduced. Private companies and research institutions capture the terabytes of data about their users' interactions, businesses, social media, and also the sensors from the devices such as mobile phones and automobiles. The challenge of this era is to make sense of this sea of data. This is where big data analytics come into picture. With big data analytics, you can ultimately fuel better and faster decision making, modeling and predicting of future outcomes, and enhanced business intelligence. As you build your big data solution, consider open source software such as Apache Hadoop, Apache Spark, and entire Hadoop ecosystem as cost-effective, flexible data processing and storage tools designed to handle the volume of data being generated today. Importance of big data analytics. Big data analytics is important because it helps companies leverage their data to identify opportunities for improvement and optimization across different business segments. Increasing efficiency leads to overall more intelligent operations, higher profits, and satisfied customers. Big data analytics helps companies reduce costs and develop better customer centric products and services. Data analytics helps provide insights that improve the way our society functions in the healthcare. Big data analytics not only keeps track of and analyzes individual records but plays a critical role in measuring outcomes on global scale. During the COVID-19 pandemic, big data informed health ministers within each nation's government on how to proceed with vaccination and devised solutions for mitigating pandemic outbreaks in the future. Impact of big data analytics on various industries. One strong innovation that can possibly have an extraordinary impact on the changing situation, big data analytics. Having said that, it has impacted various industries. Let's have a look how big data has impacted important industries. Industries are healthcare, in which rapidly turned digested industry producing massive measures of data that can be investigated to improve our health. If a completely sequenced human genome represents 100 gigabytes of raw information at least, obviously the healthcare industry will produce monstrous measures of data in coming years. Every one of that data can be researched to create custom-made meds, enhance treatments, and diminish fake practices. As indicated by PwC, fake, inefficient, illegal conduct represent an expected third of $2.2 trillion spent on healthcare in United States every year. So there is a great deal to win by analyzing data. However, big data obviously have accomplishes something other than diminishing dangers of fraudulent practices. It can likewise help improve patient care and whole patient experience when in medical clinic. Those are welcome advantages of such data. The big data technology has ability to change the scene of healthcare industry. In the past, the medical records of the patients, including the ailments and meds, were kept at a single spot as historical record. Now the time has changed. Telecom. If they need, telecom companies can know completely everything about their users, including where they were, with whom they connect as often as possible, what their day-to-day habits are, and much more. This is because of developing number of call details records, area information, social media data, and network traffic information. Particularly in Europe, the telecom business is required to hold on information of their users for half years to 2 years. Thus, and in light of the mobile transformation, the worldwide telecom industry has encouraged enormous growth in data. There is a plentiful open doors for telecom companies to profit by this data companies and that make utilization of every one of that information can beat their companions, improve their customer service, and increase the lines and increase their share of the overall industry. The data from the system created by users can assist them with optimizing their systems that can consequently adjust to fluctuating of the networks. Banking and finances. The banks have direct access to the whole repository of user financial information. For example, they realize how much salary has been credited into your account, what amount went into your bank, how a lot of cash was paid to utility service people, and so forth. This information goes about as a foundation for further decision making, like screening of loans, offers that they can give to the users, risk evaluation, strategically pitching of various items like insurance and so forth. Consumer goods industry. Obviously, the consumer goods industry will likewise be changed radically because of big data. Aside from becoming more acquainted with users, all the more personal and have the capacity to produce fragments of one. Big data offers much more opportunities from streamlining the inventory to check costs of raw materials. Costs in raw materials vary continually. Utilizing big data analysis, organization can anticipate upcoming possible price variations and change purchases as need. This value variance can be anticipated by pursuing essential parameters around the globe that have an effect on the cost. For example, market data and weather data at the point when these data sets are joined, predictive and analytics can estimate value volatilities and demands or shortages. In the conclusion part of big data analytics, the availability of big data, low cost commodity hardware, and new information management and analytics software have produced unique movement in history of data analysis. The convergence of these trends means that we have the capabilities required to analyze astonishing data sets quickly and cost effectively for the first time in the history. These capabilities are neither theoretical nor trivial. They represent a genuine leap forward and a clear opportunity to realize enormous gains in terms of efficiency, productivity, revenue, and profitability. The age of big data is here, and these are truly revolutionary times if both business and technology professionals continue to work together and deliver on the promise. Thank you, and that's all for this session. I'll be meeting you in the next video, so please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube videos. This is completely for academic purpose, so please make sure you do all those things. Thank you.